It is, huh? It feels warm now. Yeah, second tree. Yeah, I really wish the GoPro was working for this one.
Oh, God.
God damn.
What? Cliff? Ow, son of a bitch.
There you go. Yeah.
Does my guys look like that wet?
Yeah.
Like in the water?
It's drifting.
Is it?
How you doing, Chad?
Crossing a fucking river.
And we're gonna do a 180.
Oh, wow, that's gonna hurt.
Muscle Beach. And that is a whole bunch of mussels. We have Troy, one of our German friends and Chilean friends. And there's Chaz off in the fog. Aww. Maybe you'll see an orange triangle up ahead. That's our goal. We came from way over there. There's orange circles. You can't really see. They are there. A little foggy. Or not foggy, it's raining here. Oh, yeah, the water's chilly. Chaz is trucking along. Here's our ground. Luckily our feet aren't blue quite yet. Looks like they made it through the worst of it back there. Say the worst. I'd say the worst is probably about waist deep for me. Some of our shorter friends there. A little bit deeper for them, unfortunately. But we're all soaked anyway. The rain made sure of that. Chaz, do you have anything to say, Chaz? For the record?
It is chilly out here.
Chilly out here, Chaz. You can't almost not tell his Chaz. It looks like he could be from Europe. I mean, Strathman, Swede, perhaps.
And the chops too. We got all that since he's here.
Chops.
Chops, got Troy's red beard.
Irish in him. It's getting warm now, a little bit gross. Here's the ground. A little bit sinking. Not sinking, but sinking. Look at that. Yeah, it's good. Good, sink down to about at least ankle deep here. Oh, or deeper. Shin deep if you're not lucky. Go ahead for the high ground. Hey, you sink, no, you sink. There's some footprints for you, as you can see. It's a foot as well. Ooh. This is a little bit nippy. I don't know if you can see the raindrops. but they are falling at an angle, hence the wind. Ooh, a little minor stream here, shin deep. So most of us, as you can see, Chaz has his boots on his back. I'm carrying mine. I think Troy's on the back as well. Theory being that we keep them out of the water, but with this rain, makes no difference. Might as well just wear them here.
Yeah, we should have.
We should have at this stage.
And we should have worn our boots.
Alright, hope is in sight. Drawing near, we may have one shallow river crossing. That would be our luck. Here comes some nice soft ground, relatively hardy as well. It's very pretty. If you're inside a building and one nice warm and dry, it'd be a gorgeous scenery. There's my buddy again.
Hey there, buddy.
Here's Chaz. Chaz and Danny here reporting to you live from the Able Tasman Trail. Chaz here is on
What is it though? The Awara River.
Awara River. The two rivers, so yeah, I guarantee you gotta cross another one.
Oh, it's right here, look at it.
Well, here it is. Okay, smaller than other rivers. Being that it's rainy though, this low tide doesn't get really low. A little bit of a sinker. Oh, they found it. It looks like our friends are back there. Found the sinking sand. And you see the orange triangle yet? I see it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up.
You can barely pick up the orange one.
Ah. So way back up there in the distance in the fog, that's where we started. We can see it with the eye. The camera's having a little trouble picking it up due to the rain. And say, suffice it to say that we are all soaked. We have about a 2-hour hike left, all of us. Headed to Toranui campgrounds. They at least have a shelter, no hut, but a shelter for cooking. 2 hours of
Dead crab.
ooh, dead crab. Let's see here. Here we have a animal that succumbed to torrential downpour. Where does it go? There it is. See, we'll try to flip him. Maybe he's alive. There he is, the other side. It's not doing too well. I'd say that we just want to get out of the rain, but why bother? See some footprints here? So the lone beast of Tasman, the fabled Chadzinator. There's a shore ahead. There's that orange triangle, I see. Oh, it's not lying to you. Supposedly there's some kind of trail up here. Oh, there it is, there it is. Orange triangle. Oh, it was rocky? No, I'm not sure. Yeah. I'm jogging the whole way barefoot. Get walking,
Yeah, I'm
dude.
already done, I'm done.
I'm freezing.
Oh, those people started on cross, it looks like.
Chaz's Eagle Eyes has spotted 2 more crossers about to ford the river. Getting their big toes wet. Do they really have to? Must they? Must they? Yes. You must get at least waist deep and wet. Here we come.
I can see that on the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, we caught it.
There's a couple more people starting it.
They're not stoked. Oh, she went so deep. She started screaming out like that. Oh.
I saw her half the bottom.
That's why I had to drop my bag off. My friends have made it. We have all made it safely across. Not dry
Yeah.
by any means, but all intact.
We're not the only crazy ones.
We made it, we made it. All survived the crossing. None got swept away.
Dude, it was rough.
It was close to get swept away
I
for
hope
sure.
this is a nice smooth track. I'm not putting my shoes on. I was following you guys' footprints. Still obvious where you step compared to him, Chaz.
Why, because I'm way heavier?
Well, that and yeah, you're still getting way more too, but your foot's just so much wider. Damon's got these long, like, clown shoes.
Dude. There was a couple times I thought I had muscle shows.